Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I got so many DMs, so many comments, so many questions on this. I was like, I thought I said it a couple times, I may have, I may not have. I can't remember what I did on Rocky Mountain Race Week because it was a long week and up late nights making videos. But I wanted to clarify why I wound up going to EFI Specialties and Mack to get the engine swap done and not at Starck's Performance and Maintenance. So it had absolutely nothing to do with my confidence or the work that Starck's Performance and Maintenance does. That had absolutely nothing to do with the decision. The decision was solely based on the fact that Mike, when I asked Mike, I said, hey, can we get this done before Rocky Mountain Race Week? And he said, Don, there's just no way. I am way too busy. I got too much stuff backed up. So at that point, I said, okay, Mike, I'm gonna go out on a limb here, and in some shape, form, or fashion, I've got to find a way to get this done before Rocky Mountain Race Week. I've already put in a significant amount of money to make it to Rocky Mountain Race Week, and I'm about to put another lump of significant money to make it to Rocky Mountain Race Week. And he was like, Don, I understand 100%. So there's no ill will, there's no falling out, there's no loss in confidence of the work that the Starcks do. Absolutely none of that, I promise you. Mike and I are still good friends. That had nothing to do with our relationship. It had nothing to do with our business relationship. I'm still going to use Starck's Performance and Maintenance, you know, for little things that I need done around here. Matter of fact, I just bought all my oil and an oil filter from Mike to do my oil change. And who knows, I may wind up having him do it in the future, because after Rocky Mountain Race Week, really now figuring out how bad a shape my body's really in, I'm not sure I really want to do anything myself anymore. But that's a whole nother story. But I just wanted to clarify and make sure all of you know that it was purely timing on why I went with EFI Specialties and Mack. If Mack wouldn't have stood up, I would have tried to go somewhere else. I would have tried, even Jay recommended, hey, let's just do it in my garage. That was another option. So it was basically solely based on me getting to Rocky Mountain Race Week. I'm just hoping I make that 100% clear. So, you know, if you're in the area, matter of fact, he just moved to Annapolis, so now he's, you know, closer to, you know, the big three around here. But he just moved back to Annapolis to the shop he used to be in. The dealership let the lease run out, so he picked up on that lease, and as recently got 2 lifts in there and got everything moved over, and is kind of back up and running and starting to push things out again. So if you do have any performance needs and you're in this area, hey, hit up Starck's Performance and Maintenance. They'll hook you up. So again, I just wanted to make it clear. It had everything to do with timing, and that's the only reason. Don't get me wrong, love Mack. Mack does great work. EFI Specialties, Dave in the tuning. Dave's always going to be the tuner. But it was just, I had to get this done before Rocky Mountain Race Week. Mack stood up and said, hey, Don, if you come down here and do a majority of the work, I can make it happen. So that's what we did. So again, if you have any of those needs, definitely hit up Mike Starck at Starck's Performance and Maintenance. That's it for this one, folks. Until next time, adios.